welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to be dropping a lot of content because I have a lot of content to record, so y'all need to bear with me. So quick update, y'all. If y'all have been following me on TikTok like I told y'all to do, then y'all would know I have been redecorating my room and stuff like that. So I'm finna get started. It's gonna be like a couple part series because everything is not here yet. So yeah, I already got the rug. I already did something to my little office or whatever, and I'm gonna show you guys. And I'm going to be redecorating my son's room because his birthday is coming up. We already did a little bit of stuff. So yeah, and I did change my room around. I did like a huge spring clean, and yeah, I changed up my room, got it together. Now I got all my stuff rolling in, so now I feel like it's time for me to start like putting all the stuff together. I really wanted to wait till like my wall, the rest of my wall panels came before I start doing anything, but actually I need to put up everything else actually before the wall panels come, because I'm gonna put the wall panels up after, because I still haven't put up my curtains. I still ain't did shit. So I just got a new rug, got a new little comforter, but it's too hot for this. This is my new rug. Excuse my room, guys. But yeah, this is my new rug or whatever, y'all know. OG little corner over there. I want to get a new mirror, and I want to get new nightstands. I want to get a new vanity. Like, I want to do everything. I want a new dresser and everything. I'm not fucking around. So Heads, get out of the camera. You naked. Move. Go on. Get behind me. You're doing too much. Get behind me. So this is his room. We done switch up his room. We got a lot to do, like beanbag, but we did switch it up to so he can have more space and stuff like that. I have to do his curtains. He got a new comforter thing and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna tell him what I'm gonna do to his room because he's standing right here, but I got some stuff, you know what I'm saying, already in stock so I can put it together. Gave him my old rug, gave him a new lamp over there. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that table. That's the dirty clothes shoe basket. And then this is his TV. I wanna get him a new dresser thing too, but you know, we balling on a budget, honey. And you know, he got a little mirror over there. So that is about it for his room. His room is actually kind of big, but get out of the way. We're gonna, why would you drop to the floor? You know what? Look. Just, we need to clean up your room, love. Clean up your room. So yeah, that's what I'm finna do right now. So this is my room. This is the new rug I got. It's actually huge. My room looks a fucking mess, but we're gonna get it together. Okay? Don't judge me. And so I got the first set of curtains up there. I don't really like this shit. Like, I don't know. I need just, maybe when I see it all come together, I need a curtain steamer. That's what I need. Like, I feel like I'm being bougie, but I need a curtain steamer because this shit is wrinkly and I don't like it. I don't like it at all. But I decided to do it like this because I didn't want to do one color one side, one color one side, and just be like, oh, stupid looking. It looks stupid now to me because I put the things, if y'all can see up there, I done put the dang on things up there crunched up and everything. I try to do my big one, you know what I'm saying, and put it on there beforehand so it won't be so hard. But look how it turned out, all crunched up. But it's okay, it's cool. I'm finna put the last little pairs on there and then we finna get to work on the other stuff. Okay guys, so after all of this, I finally got the vines up. I don't want to show the lights on yet because it's too much. I am going to have to get like a couple more block pieces and stuff like that. So let me turn him down, honey, because you're too loud. You're too loud. Okay, cool. So this is my other neon sign that just came in as I was decorating and stuff like that. You're like really pretty. You're like really pretty. So I decided to put this one right here and then my other one in my office. I'm going to show you guys. I think I showed you guys. I don't know. Yeah, so this is me. Don't mind me and my stomach or whatever. Stomach been going down, y'all. Stomach is teased. Like, I ain't been updating y'all on my weight loss. But baby, I'm back down to 165, hun. Yeah, let's get into it. So I still got the vines. I'm going to put some more vines up because I do have some right here. Boom, I'm gonna, you know, add some extra vines, and that's probably gonna be it. That's probably gonna be it for today. I have to try on that swimsuit and do a promo video for that. Hold on. Look at all this trash. Lord have mercy. Change the living room around. About to get some decorations for the living room as well. So this is my office space or whatever. I don't even remember if I showed y'all, so hold on. So I just did this as well. Boom. yeah, dream until it's reality. If y'all know, if y'all OGs, y'all know I made this flower wall back when I first got on TikTok and stuff like that. Yeah, for my business. So this is my little desk office area. It has to get straightened up. That's my little pink rug, which I'm gonna flatten out. I have to get all this up or whatever. That's my storage space for all my inventory down there, and chill area. Y'all know that. So this is the little flower wall. I did not add all the flowers on there because I thought they want to stick on there, but unfortunately they don't, and I don't have time for that. I really don't. But yeah, this is so cute. I feel like I'm gonna add some more stuff. So all of the stuff that I'm showing you guys is from TikTok Shop and Shein. TikTok Shop, this is gonna be my new desktop lights. It's so cute and fancy. So this came from Shein. This came from TikTok Shop, the flower wall I made for myself. TikTok Shop as well. Everything from TikTok Shop. And I got this little tumbler from TikTok Shop. It is so cute. Like, y'all, I'm so excited. So my son's room, I don't know if I'm gonna do that today. I might do it tomorrow. Yeah, so this is how my room is coming along so far. Like, it's a vibe in here, y'all. Like, once I turn them on, I can't have everything on at the same time, but I do want to have everything on so I can just show you guys like how it looks. And y'all, this is not even this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I got wall panels coming because I don't like my wall, and I don't know if I'm going to put the wall panels somewhere because my content corner is over there. I honestly want to put my content corner over here, but I don't put all them vines and stuff like that over there. Like, I don't know if I put my wall panels like over there, like up here, and then like over there, this is gonna look weird because the vines are like right there. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out because I got them coming. I got some here already, so I don't know. But yeah, so this is how it's coming along so far. I'm happy. All this shopping, all this free stuff I've been getting. Like, y'all, being a content creator is like hectic, like hectic. Then my son's birthday coming up. We're gonna be vlogging for that as well, so we're gonna just get into it. I'm excited, but I'm tired. Guys, I want to show you guys while I had it plugged up. So this is what it looks like over here. So just imagine this light lit up and this wall lit up. It's not even lit up. Keep in mind, it's still daytime, guys. My curtains just blackout curtains. Like, I like them. I finally got them up. I'm just a girl. Damn. But yeah. So I think I'm done for today. I might add the vines another day. I don't know. I might just do it while I'm at it. Like, I don't know. I was gonna put some more vines like right in here, and then a little right in here to fill it out. But I only have like what, 12. So we're gonna see how this goes.